Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm going to be reviewing the Minetan Moroccan infused with argan oil self tanner. So I am a massive fan of Minetan products. I think the ash based one is absolutely amazing. It's one of my favorites when it comes to natural looking tan out of anything else on the market. Personally, they make heaps of awesome ones that I love, and they are actually an awesome brand. They've been around for a while. They're Australian made, and this one I'm pretty sure has been out in a while, but they've just updated the packaging. I'm not sure if they've updated the product itself, but I thought I'd review it because I've never used it before. So instantly the thoughts that are going to be coming out of my mouth are straight away what I think. As you guys can see, I am extremely pale. I have exfoliated absolutely every part of my body and showered, and I'm all fresh. I moisturized yesterday, so I'm good to go. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so a super dark brown finish with intensively hydrating argan oil. Here are my first thoughts. Packaging's nice. Pops the lid right off. None of that sticky stuff I seem to be fighting on the Bondi Sands packaging. That's annoying me lately. Although some girl commented on my video and she reckons that Priceline actually puts that on. Although Priceline doesn't put it on this if it is them, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Anyway, who cares about that? So let's try this out. So we have the Minetan Mitt and the Minetan Tan. So let's go ahead and try some of this. So it does look very nice and dark, as you guys can see there. It says super dark on the packaging, so I'm expecting good results considering I am very pale. As you can see, I've got a lot of redness and whatnot. And it actually smells a bit different. It must be the argan oil smell, I'm not really sure. It's not very coconutty like most tans are, but it's nice. Ooh, instantly, look at that color. Look at that shimmer. Okay guys, instantly, look at that color difference on the camera. It looks amazing. So I'm hoping when I wash this off, it looks anywhere near as good as what this does. I'll be happy. Alright, so I'm going to tan my whole body now. I'm going to go off camera so I can take all my clothes off and do what I have to do. Guys, so I put the tan on. I've probably had it on for about an hour now. I'm going to leave it on for 3 hours, shower, and then, because it develops after you even shower it off still, I'm going to do another recording tomorrow showing you the results of how it finally looks. So far I'm happy. It's not too sticky. As you can tell, it is rather dark, very dark. Look at my face. There's nothing on my face yet. I'm going to be using a separate product for my face during the day. But so far I'm rather satisfied. The color looks amazing, just like a lot of Minetan's products. I'll be interested to see when I shower it off how my skin feels. The whole point of the whole argan oil thing that they're going for is that it's supposed to be somewhat hydrating. I'll let you guys know how I feel about that, but so far I'm loving this stuff. So I'll start recording tomorrow and I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, and it's now the next day. I've just finished work. Obviously I showered last night after the 3 hours, and this is the result. How good does this look? The color is amazing. It is so smooth. There's no streaks. There's absolutely, I can't fault it, honestly. It's probably not the darkest I've ever had, and I'm obsessed with being really dark, as some of you guys know. But this, seriously, I cannot complain. I'm very happy with the result of this tan. It is a random one that I've decided to review. Now, the thing with this tan was they said something about the argan oil was supposed to be good for your skin. So far, my skin is feeling amazing and it is very smooth. And even my dry areas are looking really good, like my elbows. They're not as bad as what they usually are. So I'm giving this a big thumbs up. I don't know if the argan oil thing is just a bit of a gimmick and if it isn't some sort of breakthrough, because I'm not going crazy over it. But I am very happy with how the color came out, how it went on. It wasn't too sticky, and once again, Minetan has made another awesome product. So for summer, if you want something that is very dark and you're very pale, that gives you a very natural looking glow that also is going to impress, then I would highly suggest the Minetan Moroccan Tan. So, sorry about last week, guys. I was too busy. I had a lot of study to do, a lot of electrical sort of stuff with my day job, and I couldn't get the time to make a video and edit it and all the rest. So I had to leave that week out, but I'm back and there'll be plenty more reviews coming. So after my last Q&A video, people asked me questions in regards to my skincare and what I use. So I'm also doing some hunting into some moisturizers and skincare products that I will eventually share with you guys when I get some info and get some feedback and stuff on how it works for me. In my next video, I'm going to be doing facial tan stuff. So as discussed in one of my last videos, and some people have mentioned to me, the stuff that I have usually been using on my face is one by Minetan, and it's not even specifically for your face, it's just a wash off tan, and it does look very patchy on the camera. In person it doesn't look that bad. It's very powdery though, so it does come off on things, and I thought, well, there are actually products designed to work for your face a lot better. So I've gone out in a bit of a shopping spree, I've done some research, and I've grabbed a few products from each brand to see how they stack up and how they compare, and I'm going to give you guys the proper tea on what I think is going to be the best bet for you this summer. At the moment, I have one of them on right now by Saint Tropez. It's looking amazing. I'm glowing, so far so good. So please stay tuned to watch that video next. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in my next video in regards to the face tanner, subscribe and you'll be the first to know when it's up. But videos are usually up weekly on a Thursday, all tan related or skincare related, and I will look into some other beauty related things that I will talk about in a later time. So please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.
Jack it up.